God helps everyone. God is kind, God is true, always watching over you. Big or small, near or far, He knows just who we are. When you're happy, when you're sad, He is there to make you glad. When you fall or when you cry, God will help you. Just rely. Birds that sing and trees so tall, God has made them one and all. Helping hands and hearts so bright, God brings love and fills with light. The sun that shines, the moon at night, God has made the world so bright. Raindrops fall and flowers grow, God sends love so we all know. When you're lost and feel afraid, call on God, He gives you aid. Hold His hand and trust His way, He will guide you every day. Kindness, love, and words so sweet, make God's world a joy to meet. Share a smile, give a cheer, God is with us, always near. When you help a friend in need, that is God's most precious deed. Say a prayer, sing a song, God will help you all along. He is near in work and play, watching over night and day. So don't you worry, don't you fear, God is always very near.